Did you realise that on-screen talent rates vary dramatically depending on where your video is shown? Hi there, Simon from Visual Culture here. Look, today I just wanted to chat briefly about expectations around talent costs for your video. Now, I can't give you specific talent fees on different productions because every actor is different, as is every production. So what I can do is just give you a step-by-step guide about where you can see these price rises. So I guess starting off, the most cheapest and most efficient option is using your own people in-house. Now this is great for those safety induction videos perhaps, maybe it's a recruitment video, or it could be a company overview video. Of course, they're not professional actors. A good script and good direction should smooth out any of those shortcomings. So next up is the internal company video where you do need professional actors. Now the rates are generally much lower here because it is being shown to an internal audience. What we like to do is post a job on a casting website. Now you can expect the fees to jump up further when your campaign is being shown to an external audience. Not only having a higher fee, but also you're going to be limited by usage, duration and rights. And while online campaigns are generally a lower cost, when we start talking television campaigns to a much broader audience, again, you can expect those usage rights become much stricter and also those prices to jump up much higher because you as a brand are gaining huge exposure and even a financial reward by using this actor to represent your brand. So it makes sense that they are compensated accordingly. And then of course, top of the tree are those celebrity endorsements. So you can expect to pay a hefty fee, but of course, gain huge exposure for your brand. So I guess to sum it up, that actor you use for your internal company video, if you do decide that you want to have them in your national TV advertising campaign, just don't expect to pay the same fees. What you're going to expect is a much higher price and also much stricter usage rights. But hey, paying that extra price is well worth it in the end. It's a win-win for everyone.